How to find a portable business idea without spending money. Want to start a business without breaking the bank? A portable business, something you can run from anywhere, is more attainable than you think. In this video, I'll show you how to find a profitable portable business idea, even when you're working with zero capital. Imagine waking up with the freedom to work from anywhere. All you need is your laptop and your skills. It's not just a dream, it's possible. Stay tuned as I walk you through how to find your ideal business idea without spending a single dollar. To find the perfect business idea, start with what you already know. What are your skills? Do you have a knack for writing, graphic design, consulting, or teaching? Look within and ask yourself, what do I enjoy doing and what am I good at? Starting a business is much easier when you're playing to your strengths. And the best part? You don't need money to leverage your skills. Next, research market demand. You may have a skill, but does the market need it? Use free tools like Google Trends, Reddit, and Facebook groups to see what people are talking about. What are the common problems they're facing? If you can solve a problem or make life easier for someone, that's a great business opportunity. The key is finding the intersection of your skills and the market demand. Now, it's time to brainstorm. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. There are countless low-cost business models that you can start with zero investment. Here are some examples. Freelance services like writing, graphic design, or marketing. Online tutoring or coaching in a skill you know well. Virtual assistant services for entrepreneurs who need help. Social media management for small businesses or local brands. The great thing about these ideas is that they require little to no upfront investment other than your time and expertise. Once you've narrowed down your business idea, build your brand using free platforms. Start with LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook to showcase your expertise. Create a simple portfolio using a free website builder like Wix or WordPress. Social media is your most powerful tool to get noticed and connect with potential clients, all for free. The more content you create, the more you'll establish yourself as a trusted authority in your field. Start small. You don't need to launch a full-fledged business immediately. Begin by offering your services to a small group of people. Test your idea with a pilot project or by offering low-cost services. Once you start getting feedback, use that information to improve and fine-tune your business model. The beauty of starting with zero funding is that you can scale up gradually as you begin to make money and reinvest in your business. Networking is key, and it doesn't have to cost anything. Join online communities on LinkedIn, Facebook, or niche forums. Attend free webinars, participate in virtual networking events, and engage with others in your field. By building connections, you'll find new clients, mentors, and opportunities that can help your business grow. Networking isn't about asking for favors, it's about building mutual relationships that can lead to long-term success. Building a portable business from scratch takes time and effort. Consistency is key. Every day, focus on delivering value to your audience, building relationships, and improving your services. Don't expect overnight success, but know that with patience and dedication, your efforts will pay off. The road might be long, but it's worth it. Starting a business from scratch with no capital is completely possible. It's all about leveraging your skills, building your network, and using the tools available to you. Now's the time to start. If you found this video helpful, like, comment your business idea, and subscribe for more practical advice on how to build your business from the ground up. Your journey to becoming a successful entrepreneur starts today.